Now, everyone watch video? Good. So, just a small introduction, like and unlike fraction, like and unlike fraction. Like fraction are those fractions in which the denominator are same, like 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 6 upon 5, 11 upon 5, any. These are the like fractions. Like fractions when the denominator are same. Unlike fraction when the denominators are different, like 2 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 4, 6 upon 11, 11 upon 6. All these like fraction means the denominators are same, and it just, I think there is a noise from someone's video. Please mute their voice. Just mute their voice. Everyone just mute their voice. I don't know. I just say ki everyone mute their voice. Unlike fraction is this. Unlike fraction is basically when the denominators are different, then we say that the fraction are unlike. So today we can continue the exercise number 5D. 5D and rest the discussion, I think that is in the video, so you can just watch the video related to this chapter, then it will be easy. next time Next time the recorded video are available to watch in the YouTube, हमारे लिंक में रहेगा. So next time I will discuss all thing in within a class, but this topic I already made video that related to this topic. Okay. Now start with the question number 1. Exercise 5B. Define like and unlike fraction and give 5 example of each. So you know that the when the denominators are equal, when the denominators are equal, they are like fraction, and when the denominators are unequal or different, they are unlike fraction. So question number 1, and everyone must write. This is the homework column related to the today's class. Question number 1 is the homework. Now the question number 2, convert 3 upon 5, 7 upon 10, 8 upon 15, 11 upon 30 into like fraction. Question number 2 is what? We have to convert 3 upon 5, 7 upon 10, 8 upon 15 and 11 upon 30 as like fraction or into like fraction. So for this we have to take out the LCM of denominator. So first we take out the LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 30 and 30. So first to take out the LCM of 15, 10, sorry 5, 10, 15 and 30. This all number are divisible with 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 2, it's 1, 3 and 2. So 5 times 2 into 3 into 2. So 5 2s are 10, 10, 30 is equal to 60. So the LCM is 60. So the LCM is 60. So we have to make the denominator 60. How do we make? First fraction is 3 upon 5. Give some space. Write down equal to. Clear? Then write 60 as the denominator. So you check from here. 5 is here. So 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. It means that when we multiply 12, it becomes 60. Same number we multiply with the numerator also. So 3 twelves are 48. Now the next is 7 upon 10. Give some space and put 60 as the denominator. 60 is the required denominator because our LCM is 60. So 10 6 are 60, we know that. So 10 times 6 and 7 times 6 is 42. This is the second. Now the third, 8 upon 15. Give some space and write the required denominator, that is 60. So 15 times 4, 15 times 4 is equal to 60. Then 8 fours are, 8 fours are is 32. 8 fours are is 32. Now the last fraction, which is 11 upon 30. So you know that the required denominator is 60. So 30 times 2, same number is multiplied with the numerator also. So 32s are 60, 11 twos are 22. Now 48 upon 60, 42 upon 60, 32 upon 60 and 22 upon 60. You can see now all the denominators are same. So these are the like fraction. And this is the answer only. So this is the way how we convert the unlike fraction to like fraction. Clear? And now copied. Now copied. Mhm. Not copied. Do it. Write it fast, please. Done. Good. जिसको बात करनी है वो बाहर जा मतलब म्यूट करे अपना वॉइस. अपनी जिसको बात करनी है वो म्यूट करे वॉइस. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. Now Astha, read the question number third. So this is the same question as question number two. So question number three is your homework. And you can check, everyone can check here. The homework is written. If there is a problem, I can ask. मतलब मैं बता रहा हूँ क्या question number one and question number three is your homework. Is that clear? Hmm. So now read the question number four. Fill in the blank. Everyone read the question by yourself. Fill in the blanks. Hold with the correct sign, less than and greater than sign. Question number 4. Question number 4, first part is 8 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. Now see, uh, uh, if the fraction is like, now it is a like fraction, like fraction. If it is a like fraction, then we just compare 8 and 5. If it is a like fraction, we just compare 8 and 5. And we know that 8 is greater than 5. So we put 8 upon 9 is greater than 5 upon 9. If it is a, and this is very much, ध्यान से सुनो, if it is a like fraction, then you can compare only numerator. You can compare only numerator. Is that clear and copied? Question number 4. I think question number 4 with all same denominator. So you can do the third part and fourth part. And do the last part also. This is the sixth part. 11 upon 20 and 17 upon 20. So it is a like fraction. It is a like fraction. Then we just compare the numerator. 11 box 17. 17 is greater. Then we write 11 upon 20 is less than 17 upon 20. Clear? Copied? Good. Now the question number 5. Question number 5 is fill in the blanks, fill in the placeholder with the correct symbol less than or greater than whatever. Now see, the question number 5 is slightly different. In question number 5, 3 upon 4 and 3 upon 5. Now see, when the numerator is same, then we can compare this 4. Where is light coming? Okay, now it is visible. You can copy, you can write the number from your copy. बुक से लिखो, बुक से अपना क्वेश्चन कॉपी करो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 फर्स्ट. 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4 box 3 upon 5. Numerator is same. Numerator is same. Now the numerator is same. Then we can compare the denominator. So first I explain you this. If see, for the first fraction 3 upon 4, how many part is there? 4 part is there, and out of 4 part, 3 is shaded. 3 is shaded. Then next one is what? Next one is there is 5 part. Now there is 5 part, and now 3 is shaded. Now anyone answer me, which 4 or 5 is greater? Means 3 upon 4 is greater or 3 upon 5 is greater if the numerator is same. So anyone tell me, कोई मुझे बता सकता है कि कौन सा बड़ा होगा? Yes, 3 upon 4 is greater. See, देखो यहाँ पर कितने पार्ट है? 1 2 3 4 पार्ट्स है. यहाँ पर कितने पार्ट्स है? 5. अब अगर इसको हम एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल लेते हैं कि हमने एक चपाती लिया और उसके 5 पार्ट्स किए. आस्था, कैन यू लिसन केयर, यू कैन लिसन केयरफुली. एक चपाती का हमने कितना पार्ट किया? 1 2 3 5 पार्ट किया. ठीक है. और एक चपाती का हमने सिर्फ 4 पार्ट किया. विच वन ग्रेटर पीस? Which one is a greater piece? Asta, this part is greater. Understood? This is smaller. ठीक है, ये सिर्फ समझाने के लिए बताया है. अब इसको कैसे समझना है, इसको समझना कैसे है वो बता रहा हूं मैं अब. नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड ये तो एक फिगर था जिससे हम समझ रहे हैं, बट नाउ सी 3 out of 4 मीन्स 4 पार्ट्स 3 का, 3 out of 5, 3 का 5 पार्ट। तो इट डायरेक्टली मीन्स दैट कि यहाँ पर जो छोटा नंबर, द स्मॉलर नंबर बिकम बिग, स्मॉलर डिवीजन बिकम बिग। 3/4 is greater than 3/5। 3/4 is greater than 3/5। एक बार दोबारा बता देता हूँ, 3/4 is compared to 3/5। So we just check like this कि there is a 4 division of 3, there is a 5 division of 3। So we know that if it is 4, so the piece is bigger in 4 and smaller in 5। So if there is a smaller division, that is just a moment. You can check with the 15 and 12. Hmm. Or now, if there is any confusion, so everyone I think copied, or if there is any confusion, then you can do by cross multiplication। मैंने बता दिया इसको भी पहले चेक करने के लिए, क्योंकि वहां पर ये कोई वे नहीं है, इट्स नॉट अ वे। अगर किसी को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो देर इज अनदर वे, ही और शी हैज टू चेक by doing the another method। 3 5s are 15 and 4 3s are 12। Now see, this is greater, clear? Asta, now it is clear. You can apply more. You can every time check your answer by using the another method, clear? Now now we can do one more, then I think it must be clear. Fifth part. So 5/12 compared to 5/8, numerate numerators are same, so we can compare 12 and 8। Now here is uh, 12 division of 5, here is 8 division of 5। It means यहाँ पर बस इतना याद रखना है कि जो बड़ा नंबर होता है वो छोटा हो जाता है, क्योंकि वो उतने पार्ट ज्यादा बनाएगा। सो हियर 8, दिस इज, यहाँ पर ये चीज का कंपैरिजन है। इफ द न्यूमरेटर इज if the numerator are same, then the smaller number is bigger। if uh, if the numerator are same, the smaller number is bigger। Or you can write like this also, wait, 1/12 and this is 1/8। So 5/12 is less than 5/12 is less than 5/8। You can change the another, first one is also by 1 by right line, you write down 1 by some in first you can change also, first you can change 1/4 compared to 1/5, then it is bigger। Copied? कौन फैन, कोई फैन के पास बैठा है क्या? कोई फैन के पास बैठा है क्या? If there is a fan, switch off the fan please। And these are the questions just done, just we do mentally। अब इसमें क्या देखना है? This is 8, this is 12। We know that the bigger number is small, so we directly put here this। Or if you want to check, you just check by another method। 5/12, this 5 upon 8. 12 5s are 60 and 5 8s are 40. Now see, you can use the another method to check, verify your answer. Now, Chirag, can you read the question number next fifth? Sixth, sorry. Question number fifth, second part, third part, and the last one is sixth part. Is your homework. Now, the question number question from the question number six. The question is compare the fraction. Compare the fraction. So, six. We compare the fraction by two ways, 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 7, by two ways. First method or first method is by cross multiply. First method is by cross multiply. You just write here 4 upon 5, this 5 upon 7. Then multiply, cross multiply is this 7 fours are 28 and this is 25. So you can write 4 upon 5 is greater than 5 upon 7. Now the second method is by making like fraction. Second method is by making like fraction. Four upon 5 comma 5 upon 7. So the LCM of 5 and 7 is 35 because they are co-prime numbers. So 4 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 5, give some space, then write the required denominator is 35. 5 sevens are 35 and 4 sevens are, it is 28. Then 5 upon 7 and the required denominator is 35. So it will be 5 and 5 5s are. You can see. Now we know that 28 is greater than 25. So 4 upon 5 is 4 upon 5 is greater. Everyone must copy, please. There is a sixth question number 6. There is a two way. One is the cross. Good. There is a two way. First method is cross multiplication, and the second method is by making the like fraction. So in this or in whenever these questions come into the exam, come in exam, you can solve by any of the method. Is that clear? Or whenever I give this question in exam, I will mention कि you can do with cross multiplication or by making like fraction. Clear? Anyone? Anyone has any doubt? Good. Good. Copied? अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है it's okay. Okay. Copy. Anyone has any doubt after the class, they can see this video in Zoom. This class in basically I record this class and put it in the Zoom in the YouTube for further watching. So if there is any doubt, you can You can check because I think the same day we can upload this video or next day maybe. So you can, if anyone missed this class, they can watch this live class in the YouTube also. Now copied, done, good. Now I can solve the 17th question, not 17th. Okay, 6 हो गया, 9, 10, 11th question. Now everyone write 11th question. 6 upon 13, comma 3 upon 4. First by first method. First method by cross multiplication. 6 upon 13, comma 3 upon 4. Just cross multiply it. So 6 4s are 24 and 13 3s are 39. And we know that 24 is less than. Please mute their voice if there is a noise. Please mute their voice if there is a noise. 24 is less than 39. So therefore 6 upon 13 is less than 3 upon 4. This is by a cross multiplication method. This is by a cross multiplication method. Clear? Now by making like, so another second method, LCM of 13 and 4. 13 4s are 52. Because they are co-prime, so we just multiply it and the LCM is 52. So 6 upon 13, give some space, the required denominator is 52. So 13 4 is 52 and 6 4 is 24. And the next 3 upon 4 and the required denominator is 52. So how do we find this? We just we find here from 13 into 4 is 52. So 13 times 4 is 52 and 4 times 13 is 52. So now 13 3s are it's 39. Now this is 24 upon 52 and 39 upon 52 are the like fraction. So you can see 24 and 39. We know that 39 is greater than 20, 24 is less than 39. Therefore, therefore, uh, 3 upon 3 upon 4 is greater. Now clear? And homework is homework is 7, 10, 13 and 16. 7, 10, 13 and 16. This is your homework for today's class. Everyone must write down in their classwork copy और फिर उन्हें पूछने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 3, 4. 4 में है 3 और 4 पार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में है सेकंड, थर्ड एंड सिक्स पार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, 10, 13 and 16 from compare the fraction given below. Tomorrow we will continue our class from the question number 18. So you can, everyone must copy this. And if there is any doubt related to question 1 to 17, वो आज भी पूछ सकते हैं और वो कल भी पूछ सकते हैं. And I want कि everyone must clear whatever I taught in the class. मैं जो भी पढ़ाऊंगा या पढ़ा चुका हूँ उसको सभी को आना चाहिए. So that is the reason why I asking बार बार मैं बोलता हूँ कि you must ask the doubt. Done, copied. Good. What is the time left? How much time is left, Asta? 5 minutes. Okay. 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 In 5 minutes, we can do one more question. Question number 15. Write it fast because the time is there is a short time. So 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5 and 7 upon 10. And you see, these 7 upon 13 you can do with both method. What? ये दोनों मेथड से करना है. Question number 7, 13 and 16 do with both methods. Now, the last question we will do only with a cross multiplication. So we just write 4 upon 5 comma 7 upon 10. Now cross multiply it, it become 40 and it become 35. So we know that 40 is greater than 35. So therefore 4 upon 5 is greater than 7 upon 10. 7 upon 10. Now this is the last question for the today's class. So you must copy and write down the homework, please. Or everyone submitted the homework. Okay. Just a moment. अभी किसी को जाना नहीं है.